GM guys, welcome to another SMT tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how to participate in Atleta Testnet. Atleta is a layer 1 EVM-compatible blockchain that is built basically for the sport industry in order to cater for certain demand of the sports industry. Before we dive right into this tutorial, if you're still yet to buy our educational token WikiCat, please do be informed that the contract address of WikiCat is right in the description, so you can do that now. Alright, so coming over to what we have today, Atleta Olympia testnet is live. So I'm going to put you through how you can use their testnet and some of the engagements that could possibly position you for future rewards. Now let's open Mrs. Browser. So over here in Mrs., we're going to open the link to Atleta Testnet. And next is to connect our wallet. So let's come over to connect Metamask. Next, confirm. So we're going to switch network to Atleta Olympia. Switch network. Okay guys, so the first thing is to go over to their Faucet to claim some test token. So let's come over to Faucet. All right, so our wallet address is already imputed. So we're going to select send me ATLA. All right, so it says successfully claimed Faucet funds. Okay, so if we head over to our wallet, we should see our ATLA token in our wallet. Okay guys, so another thing we can test on this testnet is the staking function. So let's scroll down. You can see these options, right? Select staking. Okay, so come over to stake now. All right, so input the amount of ATLA that you want to stake. You can see we have just 25 ATLA in our wallet. So you want to stake lesser than this so that you can pay gas fee. All right, so let's take 8. You can see the estimated rewards we're going to get for staking our ATLA, right? So next is to select stake now. Tick this, confirm. Confirm. All right, so we have staked our ATLA token. And as you can see, our balance have reduced by the amount that we staked. Okay, so by staking your ATLA token, you receive XP and also you earn additional ATLA tokens. Another function that you can use here is the governance function, right? You can create proposals. So let's come down here and then select governance. Okay, so you can create a proposal. So let's select create proposal. On chain, create. So you fill all of these fields. At the moment, I don't really think this function is working for now. So you can try it some other time when it's active. Alright guys, so that'll be all for now. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. If you have questions, you can drop your questions in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to like this video, share this video, and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever we post a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.